My dear blessed geometry students, as I promised, I want to make just a short video to help you out in the preparation for this test. I hope you'll be able to see it before you actually come for the test tomorrow. It's going to be late when I put it up, but I trust even maybe sometime during the day you'll be able to take a quick look and listen to it. And I trust God will guide you and give you a deeper understanding. I know there are many different things that we looked at, and I'd like to make it as clear as possible for you. So, Father, you guide us because you're so close to us. We thank you. Thank you that you love us so much. You forgave us for all of our sins so that we can be cheek to cheek and hearts knit together with you. And we know that you are here to help us. In Jesus' name. This one we didn't get a chance to go over. I'd like to go over it more slowly and more in more detail with you. It says, given that point C is the centroid, this is the centroid of the triangle shown, answer the following for questions 12 through 15. So if we have a centroid here, it means something. So what does that mean again? All right, track with me. It means this would be a median here. OT would be a median. So T would be a midpoint. And that means DT would be the same as TG. T being a midpoint. This also would be a median. Median goes here. So that means N is a midpoint, and NG would be the same as ON. And finally, GF would be a median. So that F is a midpoint, and that would mean that FD is equal to FO. So this centroid C is the point of intersection of what? Of the three medians, yes? That's the one we did in class. Three medians meet here. That's why this is the centroid. In addition, they give us that OT is 18. So let me put that somewhere here. The distance from point O to point T here. I'll draw it out here like this. This distance is 18. So let me put it down here. And now we'll answer these questions one by one. This is 18 here. Okay, let's take the first one, DC. Distance from D to C is going to be easy because here's what I told you. This is a median, right? If this is a median, the longer segment of the median is always going to be twice the shorter. So if this one is 3, then this has to be what? 6. So DC is going to be 6. That's done. DG, from D to G, all the way here. What is that going to be? Well, this is 9, and this is also going to be 9 here because T is a midpoint. So it's going to be 9 plus 9. That's going to be 18. And now OC, where's OC? OC, the distance from here to here. That's maybe the hardest one, here to here. This OC is not a half of OT. OT is 18. OC is 2 parts of the whole distance. This is 1 part, and this is 2 parts. So this OC is 2/3. Let's work it here. 2/3 of the whole distance of 18. So how do you work that out? Well, 18 is the same as 18 over 1. You can do 2 times 18 and then 3 times 1 and work it out like that. Or you can cancel 3. 3 going to itself once and 3 going to 18 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Now, top by top is 6 times 2 is 12. And in the denominator, 1 times 1 is 1. So 12 over 1 is 12. So OC is 12. Okay, the other way you could do it, you could say 18 times 2 is 36. And 36 divided by 3 would be 12. So once you get OC, it's going to be easy to get CT. What would that be? OC is 12. Let's put it on here. And I told you that the longer segment of the median is twice the shorter segment. So if this is 12, then CT has to be what? Half of 12, which is 6. Okay? So that would take care of all these. And the one thing I think we never went over, which I trust you know, is the most important part really, is write a verse which tells about the importance of the heart. I think we went over that. Or central issues like midpoint or bisectors. And so the Lord said to Samuel, don't look at his outward appearance or at his physical stature, for I have refused him. For the Lord sees not as man sees. Man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. The Lord looks at the heart, the most important part. If you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God has raised him from the dead, you will be saved. For God looks at the heart, the most important part. God looks at the heart. God looks at the heart. All right, God bless you and look forward to seeing you very soon.